Canva's AI Create a Video is here. It's video creation reimagined using AI. Powered by Google's latest VEO3 model, Canva's AI Create a Video is waiting for you in Canva AI. Hey, I'm Donna Moritz, Canva verified expert and visual content strategist at Socially Sorted, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI Create a Video to create something pretty cool. Let's take a look at this video I created and we'll work backwards from there.
VEO3 video generation is now available in Canva. Everyone's a director.
Okay. To use this feature, go to the side panel and choose Canva AI, which is where all the Canva AI good stuff lives. And then all you have to do is enter your prompt and then choose Create a Video Clip and then ask it to create for you. I'll show you that in a moment. Just a couple of side notes. There's a few features to be aware of. Here's a simple video I created. You can hear the sound is really good quality. This was a super simple prompt about a close-up of a hiker, focusing in on the boots and the sound of them walking on the forest floor and the foliage. So I didn't put a lot of detail in, but it's very realistic. And these types of videos can be great for projects, for B-roll projects, etc. You get 8 seconds per video, and they are in 16:9 ratio at the moment, landscape video. And of course you can further customize them. In my earlier demo, I actually stitched together 3 videos to make that little fun little compilation. So you can then take them into the video editor and edit them. Now note that this feature is for Canva Pro, Canva Teams and Canva Enterprise. So it is a paid feature, and currently you get 5 credits per month per user. So it's not a lot. I would say reserve it for when you really need something that you can't find elsewhere and you have an idea in mind. But it's still a really cool feature, and obviously it's new, so there's possibly going to be expansions to this feature. And just bear in mind it's 1 video per prompt. I'll show you how that works when I give you a little demo of what I did to make that video, but it is fairly simple prompting to get these results. And use the link on the screen to take Canva Pro for a spin. I'll leave it in the description as well. So for my roo, I did a prompt about a kangaroo with sunglasses doing some impressive parkour. It was a little bit complicated, but when you create a video clip here, this was my first attempt, it takes a minute or 2 to render, so I've just sped that up. And then you get given your resulting video so you can check it out. So let's check out
VEO3 video generation is now available in Canva. Everyone's a director.
So it's a little bit wacky and there's some strange subtitles. So I then decided to do something more simple, just a prompt for a kangaroo leaping over a boulder in a field and then arriving front and center, because I thought I would split it up into a couple of different videos. So that one's pretty good.
VEO3 video generation is now available in Canva. Everyone's a director.
VEO3 video generation is now available in Canva. Everyone's a director.
I have no idea what that scary animal is. And then I just did one final prompt for the kookaburra with the movie clapper. I look forward to seeing what you create with Canva's AI Create a Video powered by Google VEO3.
VEO3 video generation is now available in Canva. Everyone's a director.
I see so much potential with this kind of AI generated video, everything from product videos through to B-roll. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, use the link on the screen or in the description to take it for a spin for an extended trial at sociallysorted.com.au/Canva. So what will you create with Canva AI's Create a Video powered by Google's VEO 3? If you like this video, please subscribe and be sure to check out the next one all about Canva's magic AI. Stay creative.